Present here, respected judges and all the audience. I am Neelav Lipanborwa from Dibrugarh district. I am a 10th standard student and from St. Mary's High Secondary School, Dibrugarh. So first of all, we have to go back to the history of millets. Millets may have been consumed by humans for about 7,000 years ago and potentially had a pivotal role in the rise of multi-crop agriculture and settled farming societies. The different types of millets are foxtail millet, sorghum millet, kodo millet, finger millet, pearl millet, barnyard millet, prosa millet, little millet, etc. These various species of millets were initially found to be domesticated in different parts of the world, most notably in East Africa, West Africa, East Asia, and South Asia. Millet is a C4 plant, which means that it has a good water use efficiency and utilizes high temperatures, and therefore millet is a summer crop. Millets are sown in shallow deep levels of soil. Millets are rich in components like fiber, iron, calcium, vitamin B6, and has plenty of energy levels. As we know that India is the largest producer of millet, therefore the father of millet is also an Indian, who is Dr. Khadavalli, and father of Indian millet revolution is Professor M.S. Swaminathan. Coming to geographical conditions, the temperature needed for millet production is minimum of 8 to 10 degrees and the mean temperature range is around 26 to 29 degrees Celsius. The climate needed is the hot climate but not too humid because germination of seeds would not grow in humid climates. The rainfall of minor millets requires 35 centimeters of rainfall and major millets requires at least 40 centimeters of rainfall for good harvest. Soil. For the soil, millets can be grown in a wide variety of soils, but for best results we use alluvial, loamy and sandy soils. As you can see here, the major producers are India, which is 38%, the second is Niger, that is 12%, and third position goes to Nigeria with 7%. For India, Rajasthan shares the first position of 44%, second is Uttar Pradesh, and third position is shared by Gujarat and Haryana 10% each. Coming to benefits of millet. Millet is a storehouse of proteins and antioxidants. It helps lower blood sugar levels and cholesterol levels. It also prevents onset of diabetes, help people achieve and maintain healthy weight. The millets are rich in dietary fiber, which supports good bacteria in our digestive system. It also helps persons suffering from gallbladder stones. It protects the cardiovascular health, that is your lungs and all. Then gluten-free it is, which makes them excellent choice for people who have celiac disease. Economical importance. Millets are an important crop for small-scale farmers as they require minimal investment and have a low input cost. And as Assam has maximum of the farmers who are small-scale farmers, therefore millet is a good option for them. They also have a high market demand due to their nutritional benefits, making them a lucrative crop for the farmers. India is the largest producer of millet, producing 80% of total of millets in Asia and contributing to total millet 20% in global millet production. India recently exported 15.4% bajra to 260 countries in 2013 and 2018. It also exports 48,000 kg of green millets to Tunisia and 66,000 kg to Japan. But unfortunately, the millet production has decreased in these ages. Like in 2003 and 4, the total millet production was 21.32%, but it decreased to 15.92%. In bajra, it was 12.11%, now it's just 9.62%. Then jawar was 6.68, now it's 4.23, and ragi was 1.97, and now it's 1.7. As a conclusion, I'd like to say the millet is an important food item for a population living in drier parts of the world, as in semi-arid Asia and Eastern and Central Africa, where lands are impoverished and less fertile. They even respond to high fertility and moisture, resulting in 2-4 times higher production on use of irrigation and soil supplements. Nowadays, millet is being grown in more than 130 countries of the world and is being considered a major nutrient source by the larger population of the world. Having said that, it uplifts the fact that millet is a superfood of producing supplements of all human needs in adequate amounts, and therefore in a country like India, it stands a chance of transforming millet production into a large agricultural industry and with most global ties. Thank you.